Are you looking to enhance the look and feel of your outdoor space? Have you been searching for a company that is reliable and trustworthy? Paver Releveling in Orlando? If you have uneven, unsightly pavers in your home or business, AAA Paver Sealing is here to help. We offer many services to keep your paver surfaces looking their best. We have you covered from pressure washing and paver sealing, to paver releveling and repairs. Our team uses the latest tools and techniques to ensure your pavers are level, safe, and attractive. Whether you need a few pavers lifted and replaced or your entire surface releveled, we have the expertise to do the job right. We use only the highest quality materials and take the time to ensure each job is completed to our customers' satisfaction. In addition to paver releveling, we offer paver sealing to protect your investment and keep your surfaces looking great for years. Contact us today at 407-392-0888 to schedule your appointment and get started on improving the look and safety of your property. You can also visit our website at www.aaapaversealing.com/sunken-paver-and-releveling to learn more about what we can do for you. Transform your outdoor living space with AAA Paver Sealing, your trusted partner for all your paver sealing and releveling needs.